In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable sheet that keeps your spending organized and consistent, and you'll know exactly how to set it up so it's easy to update over time. Start at the very top of your sheet by creating clear headers in row 1. These labels tell Google Sheets what each column contains and make your data easier to read. A straightforward setup looks like this: date, description, category, amount, payment method, and notes. Date helps you see when a purchase happened. Description is a short title for what you bought. Category will group similar expenses so you can spot patterns. Amount is the cost you paid. Payment method can be things like card or cash. Notes is optional, but handy for receipts, locations, or reminders. Keeping row 1 strictly for headers also prevents formatting from accidentally applying to your titles later on. Next, make the category column consistent by turning it into a drop-down. Click cell C2, then drag down to select from C2 all the way to the bottom of the column so the rule will apply to every future entry. Go to Data, choose Data Validation, and click Add Rule. Set the criteria to drop down, then enter the categories you want to use, such as food, travel, supplies, and utilities. Using a drop-down prevents typos, keeps naming consistent, and makes sorting or filtering by category far more accurate. If you prefer to cover the entire column without scrolling, you can set the range to something like C2C in the data validation panel. Once you save the rule, each new row in the category column will show a clickable menu with your chosen options. Now, make sure your amounts behave like money. Highlight column D starting at D2 so the header is excluded. Click the currency button in the toolbar, or go to Format Number, then Currency. This format aligns the numbers, adds the proper currency symbol based on your Google Sheets locale, and ensures calculations will work correctly if you decide to analyze totals later. If you notice the wrong symbol, you can adjust the currency format at any time without changing your data. That's it. You've set up headers, a clean category dropdown, and proper currency formatting. As you enter expenses, date, description, pick a category, and type the amount, everything stays tidy and consistent. Keep using the same categories and you'll have a dependable expense tracker you can reuse month after month.